Good afternoon, all. Welcome back at Third Global Education and Skill Conclave. Let me welcome Mr. Srinivas Bharadwaj, founder and CEO, Gyanmark Technologies. He'll be
Well,
talking about Gyanmark's IT certificate. We welcome you, sir.
thank you very much. It's wonderful to be here.
And we also have Mr. Prajyot Naik, who is also from Gyanmark Technologies. Welcome.
Thanks. Yeah.
And we have Mr. Seni Nagvekar from Gyanmark Technologies. We welcome you.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks, Neha. Yeah.
Handing over to you, sir.
Thank you
Mr.
very much.
Bharadwaj. Yeah.
Yes, thank you very much. We are excited to be announcing here at APAC our IT certificate. Our IT certificate is our going to be our flagship. Uh, 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 is going to be our flagship uh, program that we have readied for for various students who want to enter IT. The goals of the IT certificate is to help students of various backgrounds uh, uh, join the IT industry. There is no one size fits all. We are proud of the students who make an investment in themselves, who are proud of themselves. We typically partner with either a company or a college or a university for the IT certificate. It is modeled after the IIT Madras diploma, which has just launched last month. And we are looking to we have built this with many students and with many with affiliates based out of IIT Madras. These are some seven of the courses that we teach the students. Typically, we want the students to have passed school and to have had a course in programming in some way. If they don't have that, we have our AP Computer Science program, which can double as that offering. In addition to IIT Chennai, which has where affiliates have helped teams there have helped us, we also are in CTF silver partner at with Amrita, and we are an industry associate with NPTEL, and then we also work with startup with IBM, AWS, EdStart member, and Google. We are looking to align our program with NEP and customize as needed for particular colleges. There is we also have an industry because there is industry demand for IT skills. LinkedIn predicts there will be 150 million technical jobs in IT in the next 5 years, and we want students to be ready for these jobs and taking and grabbing these and having exciting careers. So that is the aim of the program. We are happy to modify courses to suit particular colleges. Students can either potentially get credits from the college itself, or they can take the NPTEL course that is aligned with the offering and go forward. So it's semester zero, they can take APCS. Otherwise, it's a 3 semester program. They already had classes before. So roughly 3 to 4 months of each for each semester, and they can finish in 1 year. They can then look for internships, or we have a mentoring partner as well, and then they can work with the mentoring partner. So with that, I'm going to ask Sunny to provide a demonstration of the virtual classroom for IT certificate.
Yeah. Thanks, Jimmy. Uh, I'll share my screen. Let me know if it's visible.
Yes, it is visible.
Yeah. So, welcome, guys. So, as Srini mentioned, we have developed this virtual classroom for IT certificates, wherein teachers and students will collaborate to learn together. Okay. So right now we have three courses ready with to go ahead, and all the courses have contents put in place. So right now I will explain you how what this dashboard does. First, we have three sections over here. We have the quick menu, the recently accessed, and the enrolled courses, at the center, and the right hand side we have the quick links like private files, the upcoming events, and calendar, etc. Okay, so I'll just go through one of the courses to give you an idea about how the courses are aligned and what will be the outcome. So I'm going to select this data structures as a my course. In this course, what we have is we have a course description, all the details about the course. Then we have the learning outcomes. What will be the outcome if you take this course? Like what you'll be learning. Then we have the duration listed here. We have a certification who will be providing the certificates and the difficulty about the same. Also, we define the textbook to be considered, okay, and then the syllabus itself. So I won't be going deep into that syllabus and all, but all this will be having the detailed sections of these particular topics. Okay. The other part for this is when we are conducting a live lecture, we'll be also conducting lectures for these courses, and they'll be handled uh, at these places. So when a particular course is to be conducted, tutor will be placing his or her lecture like this live class. Uh, okay, and the date they'll decide. Suppose okay, that course they'll define, and they'll paste the meet link like this on meet.com. I'll just put temporarily on the code over here. Okay, and the students will join this course, this code for the live class. You can repeat this lecture also every week or every day, or you can attach some images and all other thing which student needs to learn before coming to this lecture. Okay, and once this save this, the class will be assigned live class, and the students will receive notification, only those who have enrolled for this particular data structure course. Okay, and also it's visible in their calendars, respective calendars. So once they click on this notification, they'll receive there is a course for data structure on so and so date time, and link is provided. Okay. Yeah, we'll be going on to add more courses around here, and it will grow eventually. Uh, I think yeah, that's it, Srini. I'll pass it on to Prajot. We want to add something, Srini, here?
This is very good. So we
Yeah,
are hoping to launch our first cohort of students in late January. So there is 2 months of time between now and then. So students who want to join, they can reach out to us. Colleges that want to join with us, they can also reach out to us. And we are also welcoming industry enrollment. Our course is a very hands-on course. In that way, it is little bit different from the IIT Chennai diploma and it is more tailored to the immediate needs of industry and to help students by 2023 to enter the industry and get internships and then move on to real jobs in exciting careers in IT. Prajot, please take it away.
Yeah. Okay, so this is basically app-based application. So this application will help the student, to prepare for the IT courses. Okay, so we'll be providing around 7 courses, and in this demo, I'll just give an overview of 2 of our courses. Okay. So I'll go with data structure here. Let me load it again. Okay, so I'll start with data structure. And basically, we'll be providing all the main topics that are coming under this course. Okay, and on click of that, the student will get an overview of all the main topics as well as the subtopics that will be covered in. For example, like if I go with this heaps, I'll get all the topics, the subtopics that will be covered here. And when he clicks on it, he'll be getting all the resources related to that topic. So resources in the sense we have the textbook, the slides, and as well as the videos linked to it. Okay, so I'll show them one by one. So this is the textbook resource. So what will happen is you'll be directly taken to that particular page number where that topic is. Similarly, from here you can go to slides. Okay, and he'll be shown slides related to that topic, and also finally the videos. Okay, so if there are more than one videos, that option will be shown there.
Which we'll be using in the subsequent classes to see how to find, to delete the minimum element in a binary heap, and for other.
Okay, so this video is from the NPTEL channel and we have linked them in our app. Okay, so basically a student will get a package of textbooks, slides and videos for the topic that is searching for. Okay, so I'll quickly go through another course of us, that is data science with Python. Okay, so we'll be showing all the main topics that will be covered inside this course. Okay, as well as the overview of all the main topics and the subtopics. So I'll go with this sequence part and I'll select the topic NumPy. Okay, so I'll get all the resources related to NumPy. So if I click on the textbook resource, I'll be taken to that particular page where that topic is. Similarly, when it comes to slides, I'll be shown slides related to that topic. And finally, we have the videos.
Library. Basically, NumPy is a Python package and it stands for Numerical Python. It is a fundamental package for numerical computations in Python.
Okay, so these videos are from the NPTEL channel. Okay, so yeah, so that's all for the demo. Now I'll hand it over to Mr. Srinivas.
Thank you very much, Prajot. So we are starting our program in late January, and we right now students can sign up. We don't have an exam or anything. You just sign up. You get if you have never had programming before, we help you with that by introducing you to our AP Computer Science program, and you can get 2 full months of AP Computer Science starting now, and otherwise, and you can continue that course also in parallel. So pretty much that is how we are going about it. This is our first cohort starting in late January, and we are looking to work also with IT firms who are looking for students. Once they finish by the end of next year, we will be ready to work, put them in with IT companies as well. And IT companies can also work with us for internal upskilling. So that is the other advantage of our program. Everything is remote, and all students, regardless of whether there is pandemic or not, can participate.
Thank you, Srinivas, sir, for joining us at the third Global Education Skill Conclave. And thank you all for joining us at the summit.
Thank you very much. Thank you, Neha.
Thank you.
Yeah.